How to get follower on Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can get follower on Pinterest. So getting followers on Pinterest, like on other social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, or any other platform, requires some effort and strategies. So here are some steps to help you grow your followers on Pinterest. So first thing, what you need to do is you need to create high quality pins. Now create visually appealing and high quality pins. Use high resolution image, clear fonts, and eye-catching designs. Now consistent in your pin and styling and branding can also help you recognize your pin easily. Now step number 2 is you can pin regularly. So pinning regularly keeps your profile active and gives your follower a reason to stay engaged. Now consider using scheduling tools to maintain a consistent posting schedule. Apart from that, you can also pin a variety of content, that is, pin a mixed variety of your content and from others that align you with an interest. So you can also diversify your pin to cater to broad audience. After that, you can also, on the step number 4, you can also use keywords. So optimizing your pin descriptions with relevant keywords. This will help your pin appear in a search result and can attract more users. You can also join bots in order to gain followers. Now participate in group bots related to your content. So these bots often have a broader reach and can expose your pin to a larger audience. So apart from that, you can also run pin ad, that is, consider using Pinterest advertising to promote your pins and profiles. So paid advertising can help you reach to a larger and more targeted audience. You can also be patient, so growing your follower count takes time, so be patient and persistent in your. These were the steps on how to get followers on Pinterest. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.